Hi, my name is Patty Mastracco, and I am a Grand Pacific Resorts owner at my favorite Olympic Village Inn. And every year I do cooking videos for Grand Pacific Resorts, and they always have a theme. And this year's theme is peaches. So I'm going to be showing you some super easy recipes using fresh, frozen, or even canned peaches. And they're all so easy you can make them in any timeshare. Right now I'm making the best mocktail you've ever had. I've got some pureed fresh peaches, and you could actually use frozen if you want. And then I have some pureed or mashed watermelon. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of jalapeno peppers. We're going to give it a little kick. And then I'm going to add some fresh mint. And I'm just going to tear it into pieces a little bit to release some of the flavor. And you're going to stir that into the watermelon mixture, and you're going to put it in your fridge for an hour, or you could even do it several hours. And what that'll do is it'll bring out, make the watermelon a little bit minty and a little bit spicy. Okay, so from there, we're going to make our mocktails. So all you do is fill your glasses with ice. You're going to add a nice spoonful of your pureed, or you can just mash them if you want to, fresh peaches. And a nice spoonful of your slightly minty, slightly spicy watermelon. And if you get some pieces of mint and jalapeno in there, that's totally fine. It actually looks a little bit pretty. Okay. And from there, you're just going to add some fizzy water. You could do lime flavored, peach flavored, lemon, or just plain. And if you want, you could garnish it with another pretty fresh mint leaf. Add your straw, and you're good. Cheers.